It is not a slow day for nonprofit food distribution services.
In fact, for some, it might be the busiest day of the year. Our Barrett Leone shows us how the impending winter weather is impacting nonprofits in our area.
It's a full day of driving for Open Arms Minnesota volunteer Rob Kennedy.
These meals just mean so much.
He's taking meals to critically ill Minnesotans in Hopkins and Minnetonka. But Tuesday, Kennedy's taking double the load.
Based on the weather that's coming this afternoon, they're not going to do deliveries tomorrow, so we're kind of jamming things in and doing a lot today.
With a potentially historic storm on the way, the nonprofit canceled its delivery services Wednesday through Friday.
Very busy. Today is probably our busiest day ever. The most deliveries that have ever gone out of this building in one day.
Now, to make up for canceled services, Open Arms Minnesota will deliver 7,000 meals today, which is double than a typical delivery day. And they're not the only organization thinking ahead.
You never know when it's going to come, but there's always a day or two in the winter where we halt deliveries.
Meals on Wheels is also doubling up ahead of the storm, adding frozen meals to the mix.
Yeah, it sounds like it's going to be a multi-day event, which is always a challenge.
Both organizations scrambling to ensure Minnesotans get the help they need.
And we are doing double deliveries today because we, like everybody else in the cities, is getting ready for a snowpocalypse.
While keeping safety top of mind.
I think to myself, today I can run to the store real quick and grab stuff. For these folks, it's not as easy, so I would do whatever it took to get these meals to these folks.
Barrett Leone, WCCO 4 News.
Meals on Wheels hasn't officially made the call to cancel services, but we're told that will likely be the case with the weather that we're expecting.